Welcome back, guys. Kian family here. This morning I'll be doing a little breakfast for myself. Here I have some scallion, I have a piece of pumpkin, I have my onion, I have garlic, I have a tomato, I have a Scotch bonnet country pepper, I have my carrot here, and I have some okra, sweet pepper. What I'm gonna do this morning is, may have my two little pieces of fish ears here, so we call it fish ears, fish cuttings, guys. I have 2 pieces here, and I'm going to steam them for my breakfast. That is it, guys. Follow me. I'm going to do the prepping here now. I'm cutting up the pumpkin. I'm going to steam them, guys. How to do? Everybody is doing okay this time. Don't let me carrot them cut up too fine, guys. I don't want them to cut up too fine. Yes, guys. Alright, guys, you catch me when I'm finished, okay? Welcome back again, guys. Here I have my seasoning, my vegetable ready. Some butter is in there. Now I'm going to add a little complete seasoning in it. So complete in this, guys. I'm going to sprinkle a little in there to boil with my vegetable. And season. Yes. And guys, we don't have no natural coconut, so I'm going to use some coconut powder here, so yeah, that is it. And I'm going to add some water and let it boil before I put the fish in, okay? So I'm going to go ahead, add some water, put it on the stove, catch them up, guys. Yes, guys, welcome back. Now I'm going to add my piece of fish ears into the vegetable. Yeah, I don't want the vegetable too soft. Right, and finish cook. Nice, guys. If you ever smell it, it's very nice. All right, catch you guys. Catch you. Yes, guys, welcome back. This is my finished steamed fish with okra. You name it. That is it. I have a breakfast now, guys. Have a good day. Please remember to subscribe, comment, like the video, share the video. Thank you for watching.
Right.
God bless you. Remember that God is love every time. All right? Bye-bye.
All right.